Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will read the essay Junk Food. Junk food means the food which is not good for health. Junk food seems to have great taste to eat and it looks very appealing. It attracts to the people of all age. It has very little nutritive content but extremely high calories of sugar and fat. Junk food is never considered good for health. They have been proved useless in all ways. Fast food is becoming a part of our lives in modern society due to convenience and quickness of time. The younger generation, mostly in universities, is getting habitual more and more in junk food. This food putting their health at risk of various diseases. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.